Okay, we got Star Trek back. It came delivered last night really late, about midnight. So I was too tired and didn't want to get it all set up. So I think it was better that it sits, acclimatizes to the room here. So all I've got to do, put it into position. We're going to put it against the wall here. And look what we got. We're ready. Got a beer in hand. And let's quickly have a look inside. Moment. Okay. Quickly. Looks like we got the new key or new lock put in because it's different. Different one. Only one key. Or maybe there's another one in there. We'll find out. Okay. Looks like they returned to my manual. That's good. Okay, let's take out this box. I think the balls are in there. Let's have a look-see. Yeah, the balls are inside the coin tray. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, all the balls look like they're there. And this time, they returned it. Looks like these are a lot of the parts they traded out. We'll have a look at that later and see what it all is. Alright, let's close this up and let's move it into place. And then we'll continue. It's looking pretty alright. Don't remember that. Not sure. The other thing we're going to do is this time we're going to make sure everything's seated properly in the back panel with all the ICs and chips and components before we start it up. And quick shot of my model number and serial number. Okay, we've moved it into place. I'm going to leave space in the back just to get there and on each side. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay. Back panel. Okay, back panel's up. I can already see, it looks like they've repaired that ramp. You can see through the glass. I'll turn my light on. Yeah. And that one too, it looks like they fixed. Ooh, alright, we're going to test that, that's for sure. Okay. First we're going to open the back panel and go through all the chips, make sure everything's seated properly before startup. Get the keys to the back panel right here. Okay, here we go. There we go, Mr. Jean-Luc Picard. Okay. Alright, I can't use one hand to do this, so I'll need to use my camera hand to open all this up. Okay, first of all, it looks like that's pretty clean here inside. Okay. Alright, let's open up the panel. Turn on the light. Is it focused? Focused. That's better. Okay, so we're going to go through all that. We've got to pull this panel out there, the display panel. Yo, it's got to come out really nice and slowly. Ooh. Yeah. Okay. Okay, we're gonna, all these chips I'm gonna reseat. Make sure they didn't vibrate on the transport on the way over like last time. Check every one of them before I flip it on so that we don't have any problems, especially that one. Sound and music, we had a big, can you see that? Sound and music. It's upside down, but speech, yeah, that one. Okay, let's try seating some of these. Oh, you hear that? That's a little better. Okay, I gotta do two hands on this. I'm not gonna do this holding camera hand. Okay. Okay, we went through every single one of them. One of these was loose. This one was loose. But everything's pushed back in. Checked all the ICs. I can't get the light so it doesn't put a shadow, but there we go. Okay, speech one is sitting really good one now. Okay, let's load the balls before we switch on. Actually, we're going to close this back up before we do pull the glass out and check the other bits. Yeah. Okay, back panel's back on. Or closed. Locked back up. Now we're going to pull the glass and stuff out so we can have a quick look under there and load the balls. Well, actually, we'll turn it on and load the balls. Okay. There we go. Pull that. Alright, I gotta have two hands to do this. Okay, I noticed the glass was a bit dusty, but I'll clean that off before I put it back in. Here's where we want to zoom in and quickly have a look. Do you remember, anybody remember about the beta quadrant? Look at that. They repaired it right there. You see that? Hold on, I'll get some pointers so we can see this. Alright, second time. Look at this. There we go. That new... There was a big hole right there. And a little quick shameless plug for Sharpie if anybody likes them. Okay, let's look at the other one. The alpha quadrant. Just a second. It should be over there. Look at that. There was a big hole in there too. It was all broken and they sealed it up or put it proper. It looks like good. We're gonna do a game plan. We'll check it. Well, it looks like it's way up in there. Put the hole up in there, didn't they? See, that's metal guard. All right, we'll check that when we load the balls and do a test. Oh, wait, I'm gonna do one more check. Okay. What did you cut that off for? I like that there. What did you do there? I don't know. Fine, same motherfuckers. Okay. Pulling the playing field up quickly. There's one spot I want to have a look at. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, looks like they gave me a whole new U channel. This one, see this? Get my pointer. If anybody remembers, last time down here that was completely broken and out. And this is completely clear, like hardly anything's been down in there. Look at that, new clear. Alright, brilliant. Oh, looks like they took that down and replaced that whole U channel. Oh, yes. Yeah, this was all dirty like it'd been played for 22 million years. Look at that. This was broken. Right here. Big broken spot. It looks like maybe they even put a... I don't know. There's some support there, it looks like. Not sure. I have to look in the old photos. In the old pics. But that looks cool. Nice. New. All new, dudes. Oh, wow. Okay. God, this is going to work. I'm going to be so happy. Wow. All new. Okay, what do you think about our... Let's try it. Let's see. Oh, boy. Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, yeah. Let's try it. Okay. We're closing this up. And switch it on. Oh, I can't believe it. That is new. It's all transparent. You see that? If anybody saw the old... You can see on the previous videos, That is not transparent. It's all dark and everything, but that is cool. I don't believe it. Okay. Let's lower that playing field back down. And we'll have a look-see. Just quickly, that's my supervisor. Looks like he's not doing too much supervising here.